students, welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation, and here in this lecture we will study about the heart of reptiles. So here is the heart of reptiles. In our previous lectures we had discussed about this is reptiles. We have discussed about the heart of fishes, which is a two-chambered heart, and it is a branchial heart. Second one is heart of amphibians, which is a three-chambered heart, and it is the arteriovenous heart. And in case of reptiles, the heart is 3.5 chambered. Here, the ventricles are not completely divided. Okay, a septum is present between the ventricles, but it is not complete. It is partially divided. That's why the heart is considered as 3.5 chambered. Most of the reptiles are having this type of heart, except a few, that is crocodile, alligator and gavialis. Except crocodile, alligators and gavialis. These are the reptiles which are having 4-chambered heart. So these reptiles are having completely 4-chambered heart, like aves and mammals, and the rest of the reptiles are having 3.5 chambered heart. Now the chambers of heart: 2 chambers, the 2 upper chambers, 2 upper chambers are right and left auricles. These are right and left auricles, and the lower chambers are ventricles, which are 1.5. These are the lower chambers, which are called as ventricles, and these are partially separated, not completely separated. These are partially separated. Now, what about accessory chambers? These are the primary or 2 chambers. The accessory chambers, sinus venosus gets reduced. So here, sinus venosus is there, but it is highly reduced. So sinus venosus is highly reduced. And the next one, which is truncus arteriosus. This truncus arteriosus is divided into 3 branches. They are called as 2 systemic arch and 1 pulmonary arch. So here, truncus arteriosus is divided into 2 systemic arch and 1 pulmonary arch. Clear? So these are the accessory chambers, in which sinus venosus is highly reduced and truncus arteriosus is divided into 2 systemic arch and 1 pulmonary arch. Next, we have to draw the structure of heart of reptiles so that all things gets clear. So here the structure of reptilian heart. Two upper chambers which are called as, these are the two upper chambers which are called as auricles. So these are two upper chambers, and the lower chamber, this one is the lower chamber which is called as ventricle. So here is the wall of auricle, this is the wall of ventricle. It is getting separated partially. So this is the wall of auricles. Clear? These are auricles. Nextly, this is right auricle, this is left auricle, and this one is the ventricle. And this septum which is formed in between both of the ventricles is called as interventricular septum. So here is interventricular septum, which divide the ventricles into two parts partially. Now here is the sinus venosus at its position, and it is highly reduced now. So here is the reduced sinus venosus. Reduced sinus venosus. Now, truncus arteriosus is divided into three branches, two systemic arch and one pulmonary arch. So here the truncus arteriosus is there, and this is the pulmonary arch, which later forms the pulmonary arteries. Okay? And the next one is here. These are the two systemic arch. Okay? So this is the systemic arch. I am drawing it with this type. Okay? So these are the systemic arches, and this is the pulmonary arch. This is pulmonary arch, and these are the systemic arches. Clear? फिशेस से रेप्टाइल्स तक जब हम आए हैं तो यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं हार्ट जो है वो धीरे धीरे एडवांस होता जा रहा है. इट मीन्स इवोल्यूशन हो रहा है हार्ट का. फिशेस में टू चैम्बर्ड हार्ट था, वन ऑरिकल एंड वन वेंट्रिकल इज देयर, and two accessory chambers are also there. In case of amphibians, 3-chambered heart. Now the 3.5 chambered, and after that the 4-chambered heart will be there. Clear? तो यहाँ पर हमें evolutionary changes देखने को मिल रहे हैं. So the evolutionary changes are seen here. Now which type of circulation is there? Double circulation is there. Clear? Truncus sinus venosus brings deoxygenated blood into the right atrium of heart. Here the blood is deoxygenated. So this blood is deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood. And in left atrium, the oxygenated blood comes from the lungs. So here is oxygenated blood which is coming from the lungs. Clear? Again, when both of these blood is coming in the ventricle, then this blood is getting mixed here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर फिर से हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? Mixed blood. और हार्ट मिक्स्ड ब्लड को ही पंप करेगा, और जो मिक्स्ड ब्लड को पंप करने वाला हार्ट होता है, दैट टाइप ऑफ हार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज एट्रियोवीनस हार्ट, जैसा एम्फीबियंस में भी हमने देखा था. सो हियर इज एट्रियोवीनस हार्ट because it is pumping mixed blood. Yeah, heart pumps mixed blood. That type of heart is called as atriovenous heart. ठीक है, और ये हार्ट यहां से सिस्टेमिक आर्च में पंप कर दिया जाएगा और बॉडी टिश्यूज के पास चला जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ ये दोनों सिस्टेमिक आर्च, ठीक है, किस तरह से, यहां से ये सिस्टेमिक आर्च इस तरह से लेफ्ट साइड में टर्न करेगी. ठीक है, तो ये सिस्टेमिक आर्च लेफ्ट में टर्न करते हुए यहां आकर एओर्टा फॉर्म करेगी. एंड हियर ये वाली सिस्टेमिक आर्च जो है, इट टर्न्स इन द राइट साइड, ये राइट साइड में टर्न करेगी और ये भी यहां आके एओर्टा फॉर्म करेगी. इट मीन्स सिस्टेमिक आर्च इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म एओर्टा. ठीक है, तो यहां पर ये क्या करेगी, एओर्टा का फॉर्मेशन. सो हियर इज एओर्टा. Here these both of the arches are going to form aorta. So what is this? This is aorta. This is aorta. Clear? And the heart is showing double circulation. Double circulation means we have know about double circulation. Double circulation means in heart blood comes twice during each circulation before going into the body tissues. ना पूरी बॉडी टिश्यूज में सप्लाई होने से पहले हार्ट में ब्लड 2 बार आता है. ठीक है, एक साइड से ऑक्सीजनेटेड और एक साइड से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड. 2 times the blood is coming in the heart before circulating in the body. That's why it is called as double circulatory system. So here the heart of reptiles, this type of heart is present in reptiles, which is called as 3.5 chambered heart. Clear? In our next section, we will discuss about the heart of birds and mammals, that is 4 chambered heart. Thank you very much.